Say hi, Daddy. Oh, oh. Don't hurt him. Oh. Kisses? A nice kisses? That's really neat.
You can grab her face too.
That's good. You should be taller than her.
Say, look, I can stand on this one. Get her, Finny. He's got her here. He's grabbing, look at in her ear hole. Finny, that's not a handle.
Are you holding on to her ear? Is that what she started to shriek at? She was like, ah. Oh. Oh.
Get her back. There
Can
you
you
go.
be gentle?
Finny, nice love.
She loves it. She's got a smile on her face. I'm sorry, dude. She's crazy.
Get her back. Say, you silly Millie.
Oh, careful, careful. You're very strong, Amelia. Be careful.
Here, honey.
Finn is not having it.
Can you give a kiss, Amelia? Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Oh,
Oh, good job.